More news coming in. Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis condemns comic Kamra. Comedian Kunal Kamra has been criticized by Devendra Fadnavis, who says won't tolerate Kamra insulting Shinde. Voters decided who is Gaddar, says Kamra doing Samvidhan drama like Rahul. Kamra abused free speech and must apologize, says Devendra Fadnavis, supporting his colleague within the government, his deputy Eknath Shinde.
कुणाल कामरा इन्होंने माफ़ी मांगनी चाहिए। वो जिस प्रकार से संविधान का फोटो दिखाकर ट्वीट कर रहे हैं, ये वही लाल संविधान है जो राहुल गांधी दिखाते हैं। ये राहुल गांधी का संविधान जो न राहुल गांधी ने पढ़ा है न कामरा ने पढ़ा है। ऐसे संविधान का फोटो निकालकर आपकी गलती को आप लेजिटिमेट नहीं कर सकते। राहुल गांधी का संविधान दिखाकर आप अपने कुकर्मों से नहीं बच सकते। जिस प्रकार से स्टैंड अप कॉमेडियन कामरा इन्होंने एक गीत के माध्यम से महाराष्ट्र के पूर्व मुख्यमंत्री और विद्यमान उप मुख्यमंत्री श्री एकनाथ शिंदे जी को अपमानित करने का प्रयास किया है, ये गलत है। हम इसकी निंदा करते हैं। ऐसी चीज़ों को सहन नहीं किया जा सकता। कामरा को मालूम होना चाहिए कि 2024 के चुनाव में जनता ने निर्णय कर दिया है कौन गद्दार है कौन खुद्दार है। और स्वर्गीय शिवसेना प्रमुख हिंदू हृदय सम्राट बाला साहब ठाकरे जी की विरासत ये शिंदे जी के पास है। इस पर जनता की मोहर लगी है। तो कोई स्टैंड अप कॉमेडियन खड़ा रहकर इस प्रकार से उनको गद्दार नहीं कह सकता।
I'm going straight across to Dipesh for more details on that story. Dipesh, at this point in time, a statement there from Devendra Fadnavis supporting his deputy in the government. But interesting that Ajit Pawar, another deputy, says that listen, vandalism isn't allowed. He's not spoken out in support of Eknath Shinde. Other than that, he's actually criticized the vandalism that was seen at the Habitat.
Sneha, the most important thing in this statement of Ajit Pawar and as well as Devendra Fadnavis, we have to see that they both have condemned the remark which was made by the Kunal Kamra on Eknath Shinde and NCP Ajit Pawar as well. But on the other hand, Devendra Fadnavis openly said that even though he has not supported the vandalism or he has avoided to speak on vandalism which was done to the Habitat studio, Devendra Fadnavis that anybody can comment on them, but there should be a limit and there should be a certain responsibilities while commenting on the others. Also, the derogatory statement which was made by the Kunal Kamra on the Eknath Shinde cannot be considered as freedom of speech, and the person who is responsible should be punished according to the law. This is the words which was used by the Devendra Fadnavis. Whereas on the other side, Ajit Pawar specifically said that he not commented on anything on vandalism, but he said that the Kunal Kamra statement was not right, and everybody should be responsible for what they say and they should be held accountable what they say. So yeah, definitely there are certain discrepancies which we see in the both the statements of the CM as well as the DCM, but they both are supporting in a kind of to the Eknath Shinde, and they are condemning. They are raising their oppose to the Kunal Kamra as well, the statement which was made by the Kunal Kamra.
Cops have arrested 11 vandals from Shiv Sena camp. 11 arrested for vandalizing Mumbai Comedy Club after comedian Kunal Kamra's joke on the Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister Eknath Shinde. Youth Sena workers vandalized the Mumbai club and now arrests have been made. Mumbai Comedy Club shuts down after vandalism is what we are learning, and 11 arrests have been made. Dipesh is with us. Dipesh, action against those who vandalized the club, isn't it?
Sneha, definitely the FIR has been registered on the Shiv Sainiks who were there at the time of vandalizing the Habitat studio where this show took place. And right now, Rahul Kanal and Kunal Sarmarkar, the Shiv Sena leaders, were present in the police station, and along with them, there are 11 Shiv Sainiks on whom FIR has been registered and they were arrested by the police. Total 20 people are named in the FIR which is lodged by the Khar police station, and out of them 11 are still in the police custody, and they will going to be produced in the court in a while, where police might demand the police custody. But right now, as of now, 11 Shiv Sainik has been arrested by the Khar police station, and the remaining whose name are there in the FIR, the notice has been served to them according to the law, and they have been asked to come to the police station and record the statement for the further investigation of the case. Sneha.
All right, I'm going to thank you for the moment. Getting in those details is my colleague Dipesh Tripathi telling us about the action in this case and, of course, the political war that has broken out.